everyone, so I've got a declutter and moving room video for you today. My sister has moved out of her room, so I'm going to be moving into this room, and we're going to be moving this heavy bed and just decluttering. And this is all my sister's stuff, so she's using it as storage at the moment. So we're just going to clear that out and get moving.
Oh, I hate what I'm seeing. I just wanna run, disappear for good.
And this actually took me so long to do this video. It took me about 3-4 days to take out all of my sister's storage stuff and put it in my old room, and then transfer my stuff into this room. And also we've moved the bed, so that took a whole nother day and decluttering. So I hope you enjoy this video and it gives you some motivation to get going.
I can't leave on like this. I need to learn how to cherish and love my little self. I just wanna be hey, hey, just wanna be hey, hey, just wanna be do-do-do-do-do. I just wanna be hey, hey.
So here I'm half moved in and Ella's half moved out, so this is all the stuff in the hallway and this is all my stuff on my bed. So we're just going to get going on decluttering that and putting it into the right room.
It makes me wanna hide and never see the light again. Oh, I hate what I'm seeing. I just wanna run, disappear for good. I wanna tear myself apart and create something new. Oh, just leave me be the way I always was. Oh, just let me be. I can't bear hating me. Oh, leave me alone.
Now moving on to my wardrobe, and I'm just going to take all my stuff out and put it on the bed and then transfer Ella's clothes.
I just wanna be da 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 da. I just wanna be da 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 da. I just wanna be da 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 da. I just wanna be da 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 da.
And this is just a random thing that I do, but I put all of my washing basket and bins inside my closet so that you don't have to look at them in the room. I think that's quite a good hack. So I wonder if anyone else does that.
It's just been so long, I cannot remember how I even looked. I need to learn how to cherish and love my little self.
So this is how it's looking at the moment. I've got all my stuff in my room, but now I have to organise and put them into sections, so wish me luck. And that sewing machine there that I'm going to lift now is actually really heavy. It's from my grandma, so I'm pretty sure it's like all made of metal. obviously it's the next day and I've changed clothes, so what I'm doing here is I'm getting all my stuff, it's out in the open, and I'm going to organise it into different sections. So the Merry Kondō way of decluttering is that you get out all of your stuff that you own and then put it into piles, and if it's not useful or if it doesn't spark joy, then you should get it out your house. So I'm going to try and responsibly declutter. So things that I don't use I'm going to give to charity or resell on Depop, Vinted or eBay. So that's how I'm going to do this. And this is actually a really good way of decluttering, because you know what you have. There's so many things that I would find really useful that I didn't know that I had in my pile of things that I own. So I found some artwork there and just things that I did once love that I've forgotten about. So this is a really good thing to do so you feel more organised and with it. This is another day. So as you can see, I've cleared out all of that mess and it's all put away, so I know where everything is, and this is just the last of it. So this is like my bedside table where it has all of my stationery. I have like my skincare and also just random useful things like my passport and stuff, and also medicine like paracetamols. So I'm just gonna do the Marie Kondo way of chucking everything on the floor and sorting through it one by one, seeing what you have, whether it works or not, and distributing it where it's needed and keeping the things you like. So here you can see I have about 5 calculators, so I've narrowed it down to 2. So now I'm moving on to my skincare drawer, and I'm going to chuck it all out on the floor so I can see everything that I have, and I'm just going to put it back into the drawer in some kind of order. And that pile on the left-hand corner is things that I need to distribute throughout the rest of the house. So I've got some stationery that can go downstairs, and also things that I'm going to sell, like those tie backs that I just won't use them or put them to tie back my curtains. So I'm going to repurpose them and someone else can use them. So here you can see I've just emptied out my medicine drawer and also my useful drawer, and I'm trying to declutter and get anything out of there that's not meant to be there. So now, after all of that, this is all that's left to declutter. This is all my electricals and old phones and things that I have that I'm not quite sure what to do with. I think I'm going to sell them, and also the earphones, because now I have wireless ones. So hopefully I can do that. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it was a bit longer than usual, but it did take me quite a long time to declutter and move around all the furniture because that bed is so heavy. And I hope that this gives you the motivation to tidy up your own spaces, your homes, and so you can feel more organised. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching.